Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Bitget private key. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Bitget app and log into your account. After that, you will be redirected to your account's dashboard. Now you want to select the menu bar at top left corner and a menu will open up. Here, select your profile icon at the top and it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see right now, there is this option that gives you the option to view private key. Now, click on View Private Key, and it's going to give you the opportunity to select the particular token's private key. So, if you click on a token, they're going to prompt you to enter your PIN code. And when you do that, just to verify yourself, and the private key is going to pop up. So that's basically how you can get Bitget private key. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.